In this video, we will see how to find out or how to know the exact date when you created your Instagram account. Yes, it is possible, and the exact date we can find out. Let's see how to do it. First of all, go to application, open the Instagram, go to your profile. Okay, in profile, tap on three lines, open that, and here go ahead and tap on option called your activity. And here in your activity, just go ahead, scroll down and open an option called account history. Once you tap on that, in the account history, you can see every detail taking from your username, anything, whatever you did on your profile, like your bio, everything will be visible here. Scroll down till the last, till the end, and the last or the first entry will be about your account creation. And here you will see the exact date when your Instagram account was created, right? So, guys, that's it. I hope it was an interesting video for you. And if yes, then please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. See you in the next video.